Text messages between EM and her best friend were shown in court today. This is part 3 of my day 15 recap of the 2018 Team Canada SA trial. I'm providing daily updates on this trial and will continue to do so until the trial is over, so follow for more, and all events discussed in this video are still all alleged at this time. The line of questioning then shifted to questioning EM about Jack's bar, where she confirmed that she was having fun and was drunk and dancing at the bar. One of the players, who was Dubé, picked her up on the dance floor and spun her around. The court has already seen a video of EM jumping into his arms and then straddling him. She says that she doesn't remember Dubé and McLeod getting into a playful fight on the dance floor after that. His lawyer then said, quote, "You were smiling during the dancing," and then EM then responded, "I think so from the video." His lawyer then said, "You were laughing, it was funny," and then EM said, "Right, I was fine at the bar." The line of questioning then shifted back to the hotel room. His lawyer said, quote, "You weren't the whole focus of the room." EM then responded, "I don't know. I felt like I was. I felt like I was an object there for them. No one was speaking to me. They were just speaking to each other. I felt like I was there for their entertainment." His lawyer then says EM wanted to be the focus of the room, but the boys were having their own conversations. EM said that she disagreed with that and didn't want to be the center of attention. EM then said, quote, "I felt like I was there watching everything unfold, like I was watching myself. It felt like they were talking about what they wanted to do to me, what they wanted me to do." The lawyer then also said, quote, "We also know that many of the boys that returned to the Delta Hotel didn't go to the room 209 for various reasons. Some were tired, some wanted to talk to their girlfriends. You agree that not all the men you saw at the bar were in the hotel room?" And EM responded, "Yes." The next morning, EM went home and she said that she was texting her best friend, who asked EM if she was okay. EM replied that she was okay and saying, quote, "I think I was just being overdramatic earlier, but I'm good." EM called this best friend whenever she was on her way home from the hotel. His lawyer then suggested that EM could have told someone that is her best friend that she was SA'd. One of the texts that EM sent to her friend said that she felt, quote, "dirty and used after." EM testified that she was trying to downplay things to her friend because she didn't want to make her worry. She says she doesn't like to overburden people with her problems, and at the time she was still trying to downplay things for herself. She said, quote, "I was in between ignoring it and pretending it didn't happen. I'd never gone through something like that before." His lawyer kept pressing EM about why she wouldn't tell her best friend. EM then responded, "I did feel embarrassment and shame. They were making fun of me all night. They were laughing at me. It was embarrassing. They kept me there. They were laughing at me." His lawyer says that if EM had felt that she had been, quote, "sexually violated or assaulted that night, she would have told her best friend." The Crown then objected to that. Her best friend told her that there was no way that EM could have known that McLeod was going to be a bad guy. And then EM also told her best friend that she felt a lot of guilt for cheating on her boyfriend by going home with McLeod.